Ladies, I'm telling you something. And every man we call to uno, or look uno, or want uno. And every man we say something to uno on the road, actually want to get in on a panty. A while ago, me I drive over this, over Silverstone, this, if I go right in a Sovereign at Portmore. And one taxi man stop right in front of me. And let off somebody, and him let off somebody, and never want to move. Me want to go in a Sovereign, and him block the road. So when me say, son, go around him, now I'm whining and moving, and I say, yo, brother, what kind of stuff that you make a while ago? He must say, oh, I call him, but the girl him just let off a while ago. Figure her change, because she gone left her change. When I look, I see the slim as I walk, I go up, but she dey on her phone. So I drive, go around. When I reach side her, I wind down my window and I say, excuse me, miss. She turn around, I have a man, plus me not a fat man. People, I'm not going to tell a lie. I mean enough. Me shouldn't say nothing to her. So me about to drive off now. Ear sheep on the phone to the person she dey on the phone. No Triple X him. Come and look me. Brighty, come and look me. So me said, son, stop. Put the car in reverse and reverse up to her. And say, listen to me, you mongrel. Me never did that. Nobody don't get it twisted. Do not get it twisted. Me not chat to woman will look as hungry as how you look. So all I was trying to tell you is that the taxi man I tried to give you change. She said, so, alright, me think I don't change, me just set on us wine on my window and drive away. People, if you ever see the fancy fake, if you ever see the little girl where they are, people, the girl have one lace front, you see, all the front part of the lace front, the whole like front part I lace up, roll up, like you know, in time, Molly put in the house and then kick carpet, I say, you know, like front and the head is so dry and tired and feel like she been through several fights with the wig with on her head, and she can't talk about she, not F, fat man. I feel so, you know what? Am my fault? Me too enough.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
A true man. Somehow no woman need to tone down a little bit. I know every man will say hello and howdy and look you. Sometimes a man just genuinely saying hi with no strings behind it. I him no want to get in your undies. Understand that? Something like that happened to me before, you know. Yeah, let me tell you what go on. So one time I go in one store and one woman I walk come out of the store and people get this. The woman have her baby in her hand. So when time I open the door now and the woman I come out, right? The baby slippers drop off. One of the baby slippers drop off. So I turn around and I say, hi, excuse me. Oh, sorry, no, not interested. So I was like, but I want the Congo bongo cow foot a go on, yes, so. Me, I call this woman for tell her, I say her pitney foot slippers drop off. And she go tell me, but oh, no, sorry, not interested. Me just pick up my nosy self and continue walking and left her pitney slippers a grung. Because as Triple X say, me did too fast.
People, I'm not going to tell a lie. I mean enough. Me shouldn't say nothing to her.
Right? Me did too enough. Me should have mind my own business. And yeah, me understand the baby never have nothing to do with it. And I could have really pick up the slippers and say, are you pitney slippers, me I call you for. But at the end of the day, she never have the little decency if you say, yes, what are you saying, sir? So me just go about my business.
People, if you ever see the fancy fake, if you ever see the little girl where they are,
some woman need for tone down. And speaking of woman we need for tone down, you see the one them will love can man out of money, uno need for tone down too. But then again, some man too fool. People, listen to that voice note here.
Thanks for the money you sent come give me yesterday. Yeah, I'm go doctor and them say I'm 4 months and going. And me go need for do another ultrasound because the ultrasound of them do are they say the first one to see if the pitney dumb or income one can make sound like if you can talk and so, and me go need a next ultrasound next week now to see if the baby start farm, and then them say me have to do the autopsy, which will cost a heap of money. To do the autopsy to see if a boy or girl and everything alright. So yeah, and look, no send no more money come give me through credit union, and I can't bother with them and them stupid question them.
Then people's money could have fooled so. something could have really got some people. The woman said she are gonna need to do an autopsy on the baby. And you really tell me say man fall for them fool line there? Man fall for them foolishness there? You know something? There's a saying, when you find a donkey fi ride, ride it. Probably that go another case there. Talk to me down in the comment section, people. Make me know what you think. You don't really think say man fool so? Eh? And the woman them out there, you fi tap it. When you find a good man who willing to spend a couple dollars on you, don't take disadvantage of the situation. Alright? Now people, Jamaica are swarm with crocodiles. Yes, more and more videos surfacing online about crocodiles in Jamaica. Watch them clip here.
Make the slip in that round that rope here. And use this stick as a use that stick here. Go over upon you can't stay here so do. Nah, they didn't rain, you know. Nah, they can't get cool. One week of the
Now, every time I see a video like this, there's one thing where I always say. I hope that the proper authorities get these animals and put them somewhere safe, away from people and away from where they themselves, the animals, could be harmed, right? Because, boy, honestly, I never know so much crocodile in Jamaica, but the amount of videos when I see a surface, it look like a whole heap of crocodile there in Jamaica. And the good thing is, to date, me personally, I haven't heard of anybody getting bitten or eaten by a crocodile at Jamaica. Thank God I haven't heard that yet. If you hear nothing like that, any incident, if you have heard any incident like that, whether years ago or what, talk to me down in the comment section. I would like to know if anything like that ever happened in Jamaica. See? But May I go end this video by saying, please be safe, people. If you are anywhere close to where crocodiles are, just be safe. And with the whole flooding thing we are going to, that's another thing you need to be safe so that you know get washed away and a landslide or nothing like that. Alright, watch on, man, people. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Until the next video, no matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.